Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Make.com plus OpenAI for automated content workflows. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Make.com and integrate it with OpenAI for automated content workflows, begin by visiting the Make.com website. Create an account if you don't have one by clicking on the Sign Up button. Once your account is set up, log in to your Make.com dashboard. On the dashboard, click on the Create a New Scenario button. In the New Scenario window, you'll see a search bar. Type OpenAI into the search bar to find the OpenAI integration. Click on the OpenAI icon to add it to your scenario. You will be prompted to connect your OpenAI account. Follow the instructions to authenticate your OpenAI account. Provide your OpenAI API key when prompted to complete the connection. After connecting OpenAI, you can add other services to your scenario as needed. To do this, use the search bar again to find additional services or applications you want to integrate. Once you've selected the desired applications, drag them into the scenario workspace. Connect the applications by clicking and dragging the arrows between them. Next, configure each module by clicking on it and filling in the necessary details. For the OpenAI module, specify the prompt you want to send. You can also define other parameters, such as the model and temperature settings. Once your modules are configured, click on the Save button to save your scenario. To test the scenario, click on the Run button in the top right corner. Observe the output to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If adjustments are needed, you can modify the module settings before retesting. Once satisfied with the setup, click on the Schedule button to set your scenario to run automatically. Select your desired frequency for the scenario to execute. Finally, make sure to activate your scenario by toggling the switch to on. Your Make.com and OpenAI integration for automated content workflows is now fully installed and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.